Hey guys, John, Planet Tech. Don't worry about the water. I was testing the settings between high, medium, and low, but that's not why we're here. Um, I'm kind of getting everything set for. This is my CopperCube video game that I've been working on for HTML, and then I am kind of building it here. But this is literally just going to get copied and pasted over to Unity so I can put it on the Nintendo Switch and test out mobile performance on Unity versus not Construct, but CopperCube, because it works very, very well in CopperCube. I love it. Because I have, we check out the wireframe, toggle wireframe. As you can see, this is not a massive scene, but I have a lot of triangles. And if we go to scene, we go to scene metrics, we go textures for the scene is about 25, 0 using a lat map, about 100,000 polygons, just over that, about 109,000 polygons, 1,980, 100,000, 100, 9,867. 237 nodes. So that means about 237, I guess, individual items. Estimated memory to run this is about 130 megabytes. It's not bad at all. Probably could be optimized a whole bunch, but like it's not bad still. So I'm just building the scene and then working on from there. The HTML game was going to basically have 5 levels. But I kind of been playing around with something, and my main issue is doors. Is that once you made a door, you could not copy and paste it, copy and paste it, copy and paste it. Some of you guys may have already known this. If you do, scroll by, just be like, yo, we already knew this. Were you late to the game? So basically, my thing was that if you made, and we're going to go over this real quick. You click, okay, this is my door. If I click right on it, modify selection, not modify selection. I have it selected. We go to behaviors, on proximity to something. We're going to set a sphere, distance of 100. The current active camera is going to be where it's going to trigger this node code. Enters radius, change position. So we're going to change the position of what? Move the sci-fi door, and then we're going to set it to, I've always been setting it to set fixed 3D position. And I'm like, that's what I want, but like that doesn't allow me to then copy and paste this door or this code to other doors. And so I played with move by a vector. So basically, vector is just like you're going to move like, 3 spurts, to the right or to the left or whatever. It's just telling you to move up. It's not telling you to move to a, specified location. And so I'm like, okay, let's try this. Move up by vector, sci-fi door. We're going to set the vector to basically 100. So in this scene, that basically just tells it to go up. We're going to tell it to go animated, and we're going to do it by 1,000. Actually, let's do it by 500. Let's see if we can see it. Okay. This part I'm actually going to like rush a little bit because it does take a little bit for it to compile everything. But real quickly before I do that, damn, this means that you can copy and paste this code as soon as you do the closing animation. So you have the opening animation, now you need the closing animation, and that sets all your doors. So you can literally just copy paste all your doors, and as soon as at least for all the ones that are just like opening and then like closing, like big sci-fi doors, and not the like Star Trek like 2 swipies. And then you could copy and paste those nodes, and then you have your door set. Because I was like, I should program something to track animations inside of CopperCube, and I'm like, I'm not that great of a coder, but this covers it. Like, this is it. So as long as it works, I'll show you guys real quick. And then I won't provide this since this is a project I'm actually like commercially doing. I will set a regular example down below for you guys to download. But if you guys already know it, again, just ignore it. You have a character, we have the aliens, we have the water. This works great. We have some bubble effects. We have a test key back over there and ammo. My army dudes. And then our door. Again, we walk into the center. That opens up. And then I'm just going to... Sorry, that's really annoying. I know. I'm sorry. But boom, our door is open. So now if we do the closing by vector, so on proximity to something, so we're going to do that again. So behavior on proximity to something, we're going to say, I guess, 140. So once he leaves, no, not 140. Let's do 120. Boom. Okay, cool. Active camera, leave radius, action, boom. Change position of a scene node, set fixed node, set by vector. Change which scene node, select sci-fi door, boom. Vector is 0, 0, 0, 0, move is animated. Set that to 500, we're gonna say okay. We're gonna set this to HTML and see if that runs faster. Okay, so it's loading in HTML. Again, sorry, this is... there's our dudes. It's opening it up. And then I'm going to... Proximity, we're going to say, it says 0. Animate. Oh, okay, minus, I guess 100. That's what I need to do. I am an idiot. I'm going to set that as exe. We're going to launch it. Again, I'm going to cut it so it just gets the actual project. Okay, here we go. We're in it. We're going to move around. Door's going to open. Door's not going to close. Boom. There we go. We just did it. Door open. Door close. So you're going to set it, move it up 100. Now, in your game, it could define it a whole lot less. So it could be 10 or whatever. You got to play with it. So do it by 10 and then launch it and then see what happens. And then you may need to do 1,000 or whatever. Just depend on where you want to move it. Boom. That's how we do it. That's actually pretty awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that and liked it. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.